In this recipe, you're making a nice carbonara. So this is butter, 100 gram, heat it up. And now I'll be adding pancetta diced, 200 grams. We can add the diced pancetta. Now the bacon is nicely browned. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now at this stage I'm adding spaghetti that is boiled, 500 gram spaghetti. Mix bacon, butter and spaghetti together. Allow it to heat it up. So in a bowl we put 3 egg yolk. Avoid completely egg white, and then add grated parmesan, or you can use pecorino cheese. Grana Padano is the best option if you want to use it nice flavor. The cheese is around 150 grams. Adding crushed pepper, 1/4 teaspoon is enough. Mix everything. And now add in hot water, bit by bit. Around 1 tablespoon first. Mix it slowly. So this way the egg yolk will not get cooked. So I added around 1/2 cup of hot water. Slowly and mix it. So this forms an emulsion with the egg yolk, cheese and the water. Now you can switch off the pan with the spaghetti on. Add the emulsion in here and toss it. So the pasta is ready, pasta carbonara. Now to finish it off, you can finish with butter, around 50 gram. Now we can serve it. Take a nice bowl, place it on the bowl. Garnish with more bacon, more brown bacon, and then cheese on the top.